Python is a high-level versatile programming language created in 1991. Probably best Python known for its simplicity and the readability, and the best example of it would be a comparison of how many lines of code it takes to print hello world in different languages. For example, in C++, it takes 3 lines of code to print hello world, and the same in Java, so it takes 3 lines of code to print hello world. In comparison, in Python, we only need to call the print function and we are printing hello world. So what are the other features that makes Python one of the most widely used languages in the world? The first one probably would be versatility. So what that means is it supports multiple programming paradigms. For example, it supports object-oriented programming. Also, we can write the code in the functional style, so functional programming, also procedural programming. So it supports all 3 paradigms or all 3 widely used programming paradigms. And the next one is that extensive libraries and frameworks. So for that, Python offers a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks for various applications. And the first one probably would be that the data science, machine learning, and then AI. So for example, NumPy, Pandas, or TensorFlow, and others. And the next one is for the web development. We have frameworks such as Django or Flask. And for the automation, we have Selenium and the other tools. And for the Internet of Things, for example, we have MicroPython. So that is used for the Internet of the Things. And for the game development, for example, we have Pygame and many others. But probably the most widely used what Python is most widely used is for the data science, for ML, and for the AI related projects. And another features that is also makes Python one of the most widely used languages is it's a cross platform. So what it means is it's platform independent. So it allows you to write a code in one system that can be run in another system with the small changes. And the next one is that, probably the last one, is the large community and support. So it has a vast and active community that makes it easy to build and deploy solutions.